The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know what I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Yes, I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I want to give a shout out to two persons who goes by the name of Morgan and Morris. Yeah, two of the persons shown in that video, yeah, they goes by the name of Morgan and Morris. You see me? Hard-working men within the country of Jamaica. You see it? Yeah, so Morgan and Morris, big up on yourself. You see it? Yeah, Morris look like him camera shy. You see me? I said to you? Yeah, alright. So, yeah, big up Morgan and Morris. Now, I have a video and an audio that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. And in the video and the audio, you're going to hear a female who said some things that gave me the understanding that she said that she somehow killed a female in self-defense. In the video, the female said some things that gave me the understanding that she said that she's not hiding and that she's trying to let persons know that they should stop posting certain things on social media about her. I'm going to present the video to you first and then I present the audio to you, my viewers and subscribers, after. Alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
I'm here now because apparently everybody have my picture up on Facebook saying they're looking for me. You all putting up my stuff out there. I did not do nothing. You all need to stop put my stuff them out there. Y'all need to stop put my stuff them out there and say I do when I don't do nothing. So apparently I'm here now, so I want y'all to get this right. Everybody putting up my picture and I want y'all to share this live. I'm not hiding. I'm not running from nobody. So I don't want nobody try put up my picture them and saying I do this and I do that. First of all, y'all need to get the story right and stop accusing me of doing things. And if I do it, I was defending myself because I never fuck with nobody. And I don't want nobody to be posting up my them all over social media and thing. Y'all need to get the story right. She fucking do. And because them attacks and me kill this girl. What suppose she did kill me? First of all, I've been out loving myself and I've been to the club loving myself with me and my friend. And she's been chilling. She keep telling us leave from the place, leave from the place. That is not her place, that's a hotel. And I've been there, was chilling with myself, and I was talking with some fellow, with that guy. The guy was talking to me and whatever, and she threw her back from upstairs, tried to fight me, and I was defending myself, so I don't want nobody feel like say I killed this girl. I don't want nobody say I killed her. I did not kill this girl. I was defending my fucking self. So everybody who putting up my picture them out there and I say, who no looking for me? See, I'm right here. Me can't go nowhere me there. I'm right here. I'm not hiding. I'm not hiding. I was defending myself. When LaQuisha was fucking beating me up and do all kind of, where you all was. Y'all don't do it. And I'm not hiding. I'm not. And see all my scar them here still pa me neck and everything. Okay? So no come chat pa me and I try post these fuckery out there and I like say me a murderer. If me did want murder, me fucking murder Cole. But I'm not a murderer. I trying to defend in myself. Anybody who has share my picture, you don't need to share my video too.
Now, I did some research and I found no confirmed information about the incident that the female said happened. You see what I'm saying to you? I'm not saying that there are no confirmed informations out there. No. I'm saying that I did not find any confirmed informations about the incident that she said happened. You see me? However, you know, I'm just going by some of the things that she said in the video and the audio that I'm about to present to you. You see me? And with that, I'm going to present the audio to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can hear some more things that this female said. Alright, now some of the things that have been said in this audio might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright, now here's the audio. Take a listen and observe.
Don't abuse me. You know my mother. You's not my mother or my dad. Don't put your hand on me. And if you're dead, I sorry you're dead because I didn't mean to do it. I was defending myself. Okay? So if you're dead, I sorry. I may your soul rest in peace because me never mean to kill you. Them a say me give you much stab. Me not give you no much stab. I give you 2 stabs. So the fuck you dead. I give you 2 stab. 2 stab.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to leave that right there. Is what I'm saying to you. Yeah, I just presented to you audio from a female who said some things that gave me the understanding that she said that she stabbed and killed a female in self-defense. You see? Alright, so you can let me know what you think about that audio, you know. Yeah, I'm going to leave that right there and I'm going to move on. You see? Now, I read a news article that said some things that gave me the understanding that a female who can be seen in a video hitting a man with a machete repeatedly had been arrested by the police within the country of Jamaica. It is said that the female had been arrested and charged with assault occasioning bodily harm. And it is said that the female is 40 years old. Now, I am not going to mention the name of the female. However, it is said that the female is from an address that is within the parish of Westmoreland, that is within the country known as Jamaica. See? And according to some things that I read in the news article, it is said that the incident happened sometime within the month of February the year 2021. It is also said that the female is set to appear in court sometime within the month of March the year 2021. You see it? Viewers and subscribers, I'm just letting you know what's going on when it comes on to that video that is circulating on social media. You see what I'm saying to you? You can let me know what you think about that incident or the video. You see what I'm saying to you? Now I'm going to move on, viewers and subscribers, and I'm going to tell you how I understand some things that I read in a news article that had been published on the 23rd of February the year 2021, right? And according to some things that I read in that news article, it is said that a woman had been shot and killed by her Jamaican army husband within United States of America, you see? And it is said that children said that they witnessed the incident. You see me? Now, according to some things that I read in the news article, I got the understanding that a 30-year-old woman who goes by the name of Tashana Johnson Blake was reportedly shot dead by her military husband in front of their 2 children in Colorado, United States of America. It is said that the police have arrested the suspect, and it is said that the suspect goes by the name of Dermot Andrew Blake. You see what I'm saying to you? It is said that the suspect is a Jamaican, and it is said that he is in his 30s, and it is said that he had been arrested on charges of first-degree murder and child abuse without injury. It is said that the suspect, who goes by the name of Blake, is an active member within the United States military, and it is said that the incident happened on the weekend. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, remember I told you that the article that I read was published on the 23rd of February the year 2021. Alright? Alright. So remember I said that. You see me? Alright, viewers and subscribers, you can let me know what you think about some of the things that I just told you. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, big up and respect to each and every one. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright? Alright, now viewers and subscribers, it had came to my attention that the mother of a great Jamaican musician who goes by the name of Shabba Ranks had died. According to some things that I read in news articles and according to some posts that I saw on social media, it is said that many persons called Shabba Ranks' mother Mama Christie. I would like to send condolences to the friends and the families and the loved ones of Shabba Ranks and his mother. You see me? Alright, here's where I'm going to leave it. See me? So big up and respect to each and every one. Alright, so until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. On the big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where